Benvenuti a Roma, the eternal city. Thy register thy superscript 1. Join us on an extraordinary journey through time, where ancient wonders, captivating culture, and culinary delights converge. Step into the heart of history as we traverse the cobbled pathways that have witnessed millennia of human civilization. Rome's streets tell tales of emperors, gladiators, and timeless romance. Immerse yourself in the spiritual realm of Vatican City, where the artistry of Michelangelo and the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica inspire awe and reverence. Delight in the symphony of flavors that is Rome's cuisine. Indulge in handcrafted pasta. Linger over espresso in charming trattorias, and treat your taste buds to the creamiest gelato. Experience the magic of Rome's fountains, where wishes are made as the Trevi Fountain and romance blossoms on the Spanish steps. Every corner is a postcard-worthy memory. Uncover the remnants of the mighty Roman Empire at the historic Roman Forum. Wander amidst ancient ruins that whisper tales of triumph and intrigue. As the sun sets, Rome unveils its timeless allure, casting a warm glow over its historic treasures. Behold the city's splendor from Giannicolo Hill, where past and present merge in harmony. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, an art enthusiast, or simply an adventurer at heart, Rome promises an unforgettable experience. Hit that like button, share the magic with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.